Your fire alarms, elevators, or security lines still depend on copper landlines. Tech that's literally being phased out. Now what? This is Quick Connect, where communication gets simpler, smarter, and way more effective. POTS! Plain old telephone service is going away. The FCC has already lifted maintenance requirements and costs are skyrocketing as providers shut down aging infrastructure. Fusion Connect's POTS replacement offers a modern wireless or IP alternative to support critical systems like alarms, elevators, and fax machines without disruption. It's reliable, compliant, and surprisingly easy to deploy. So if your legacy lines are on borrowed time, we'll show you how replacement connects to reliability real quick.